Jammed seatbelt cutter. The razor-sharp, stainless steel blade allows to cut a jammed seatbelt in no time. Slice the seatbelt diagonally for a quick and clean cut. Can be used multiple times. Tempered glass window breaker. The solid, heavy-duty, stainless steel spike easily breaks tempered glass car side windows. Hit preferably one of the corners of the window. Resqme is equipped with a spring-loaded mechanism. Resets after each use. Reusable. Made in USA. We pride ourselves in offering efficient and reliable, made in the U.S., safety tools for the last 20 years. Trusted by first responders, law enforcement and EMTs and carried by more than 8 million motorists worldwide. The Resqme seat belt cutter and window breaker saves a life on average every 15 days. Tested and certified by TÜV, a German certification. Made in USA, this 2-in-1, safety and survival tool, allows you to cut a jammed seatbelt and to break a side window in your car in case of emergency. Originally developed for first responders, firefighters, EMTs, law enforcement agencies, Resqme has become an essential safety solution for all safety-conscious drivers. Over 6 million motorists worldwide carry Resqme. Top reviews from the United States. Super nice. Very little pressure needed to break windows on a vehicle. Much easier than trying to break it out with something else.